In this video, I want to talk about how you can refer someone on Webull. Now, first of all, what you need to do is you need to download the Webull app because from the website for some reason it's not working all of the time. So just download the app, and then what you want to do once you're inside of there, you want to find the account settings. So open up your app and go to account settings. Inside of there, you want to look for a referral section, and usually it's called either referral, invite friends, or free stocks, or something like that. Once you're in there, you should find a unique link, which is your referral link. So you just want to take the link and then you want to share it to anyone, can be your friends. If you have a social media following, you can share it to them. So just keep in mind that you need to share this link, and then people will click on it, and when they click on it, you can get the referral. You should also be able to track the referrals in there, so how many people signed up and stuff like this. Now, for people, if you want to receive the referral, usually there's a minimum amount that they need to put into their Webull account. So for the most part, it's not enough just to sign up with your link. They also need to put some sort of money into their account before you get it, but it's gonna say it on the referral what they need to do. So I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.